Hello, welcome to Ascending DC channel. We are an AWS certified partner to provide cloud consulting and technical support to clients who are looking for cloud solutions to tackle the challenge in their day-to-day operations. This video is one of the many short videos we are producing. In each of them, we're going to demo and explain when used for AWS practice that can be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your work. All these tricks have been proved effective in our clients' success. If you are a project manager, DevOps, architect, software engineer, or just looking for useful cloud practice, this video is made for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ian. I'm a software engineer at Ascending LLC. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about AWS EventBridge, how it can be used in event-driven applications. Amazon EventBridge is a serverless event bus that makes it easier to build event-driven applications at scale using events generated from your applications. Integrated software as a service applications and AWS services, EventBridge delivers a stream of real-time data from event sources such as Zendesk or Shopify to targets like AWS Lambda and other SaaS applications. You can set up routing rules to determine where to send your data to build application architectures that react in real time to your data sources with event publisher and consumer completely decoupled. EventBridge can be incredibly useful when it comes to creating and maintaining the proper workflow of event-driven applications. One major project of ours takes in payload data, which can be either order data or refund data, and process it through a series of logical steps to produce the desired results. The application itself consists of many Lambda functions and resources, as you can call them the steps. To ensure that the payload data goes through the proper order of steps, we use an event bus to trigger the right function depending on the current state of the payload data. The goal of this video is to demonstrate how a Lambda function can send out events to an event bus and subsequently having the event bus trigger specific Lambda functions based on the event rules. In more detail, we'll send out two events, which include one for order data and one for refund data. Depending on the type of event, aka the type of data, the corresponding Lambda function would be triggered. To accomplish that, we need to follow the following steps. First, navigate to the AWS Lambda console to create the first Lambda function that will be used to send out events into the event bus, and we'll name it send payload. As you can see, this function was already created before the recording of this video, but keep in mind that a Lambda function needs permission to interact with the EventBridge service. Therefore, we need to make sure the proper EventBridge policy is attached to the Lambda role. It is already attached to a Lambda role, as you can see here. Secondly, we create two more Lambda functions, handle order and handle refunds. Edit the code so that each function simply prints out the corresponding type of data for demonstration purposes. Then we navigate to EventBridge console to choose the event bus we're going to use for our application. In this case, we'll simply use the default bus. Click on the rules option on the navigation menu located on the left side of the page. Then we click on the create rule options to create a certain event rule. A rule watches for certain events, then routes them to the AWS targets that you choose. You can create a rule that performs an AWS action automatically when another AWS action happens, or a rule that performs an AWS action regularly on set schedule. In here, we can define our custom event pattern and choose the AWS target to be triggered by this rule. As you can see in our event pattern, the stage is order, and the AWS target that's going to be triggered is a Lambda function handle order. Similarly with rule refund, the stage in this case is refund, while the target action is a Lambda function called handle refund. Now let's go back to the first Lambda function we created and edit the code to make the function send out 2 events into the event bus. As you can see the code right here, this is the first event, which has the stage of order. And this is the second event, which has the stage of refund. So when the first event gets sent into the event bus, it will match with rule order, which means the handle order Lambda function would be triggered. Similarly, with the refund event, when this event is sent into the event bus, it would match with rule refund, and the trigger action would be handle refund Lambda function. Now we can run a simple test to see if everything worked correctly. As you can see, the function name is printed out, which means it worked for handle order. Let's check for handle refund. As you can see, handle refund was triggered as well by the event bus. So yeah, it worked correctly.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this demonstration on the event rules. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Please leave your comments, questions, critiques to us so we know you are watching. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ascending DC, and stay tuned for our next video. See you next week.